Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming to Sherman, Texas on June 18th, and this is Lead to Loyalty, the AI Growth Bundle for Real Estate Agents. And what I'm going to do in this 2-hour CE certified course is walk you through exactly how to get visible and ranked in the AI search results that come up when somebody says, find me the best Sherman, Texas area real estate agent. We're going to walk you through exactly what you need to do on that. And then in the second hour, I'm going to walk you through a lot of different amazing AI tools that are going to help to increase your efficiency of your business, your branding, your lead generation, and so much more. So bring your laptops, bring your tablets, join us in Sherman. This is hosted and sponsored by Lawyer's Title. This is going to be a lunch and learn. So join us, have a little bit of food, pick up some CE and some great content to help change your business for the better. Zoomers, you're available to join us as well too. So if you can't make it to Sherman, you can still join via Zoom. We'll see you next week. Thanks.